Okay, how to slide the trailer that doesn't want to slide, especially reefer trailers with the dump air and this style of the slide. Okay, so you see instructions. Set the parking brake first. Make sure you have air tank filled up with the air. Sometimes if you don't have the air in air tank, they will not gonna work. So make sure you have built up the air in air tanks. Then pull this out. This is drop trailer, so you don't feel or you don't see, there's no air releasing out. It's disconnected from truck. So after you pull the pin out, you put the quarter, penny, whatever you got, you put behind on here. Okay, so it sits, you see, in a groove in between the bracket and the pin. Okay, then you can go inside, actually walk around, make sure all 4 pins are in here, and other side, 2 here, 2 other side. Go inside the truck, release the red one, and put in forward, first gear or reverse, whatever you want to do with your tandems, go back or front, and that way it releases the pressure. The airbags will gonna be up, the weight will go more in the forward, and once the axles are moving, you're easier to slide the subframe because it gets all rust and salt buildup. So that's the problem. Okay, when you're done, when you apply the brakes, you start rolling like 5-10 miles an hour slowly. Don't do it too hard. As soon as you notice it's sliding, you release the service brake for a trailer. Okay, that's that handle brake, the small one that you have on dash usually, or under the steering wheel. Okay, we hope you can help someone.